Today's grammar lesson will be infinitives and gerund. So let's start. Today we're going to learn 3 different forms of verbs. The first one is called full infinitive. When I say the word full, it means I want to plus the verb. Like when I say to play, or I want to play football. The second kind is bare infinitive. Bare means without. So here I mean without to. I mean the verb only. Play. Like for example, let me play with you. So these are 2 kinds of infinitives. The full infinitive with to, the bare infinitive without the verb only. The third type is the gerund. Gerund means verb plus ing, and here it equals a noun. So for example, I can say playing. Playing football is interesting. So these are the 3 forms of verbs that we're going to take today. Full infinitive, to and the verb. Bare infinitive, the verb only. The gerund, verb and ing. So let's start with the first type, the full infinitive, to know when to use it. The first case to use it is to express a purpose, why you do a certain action. For example, Dad called me to give me money. Another example, I study hard to succeed. So here I use the full infinitive to and the base form to show the purpose, to show or to express a purpose or why you do a certain action. I eat healthy food to be fit. So the second case in which we use the full infinitive is with certain verbs, and here you must memorize or learn by heart these verbs to know that you're going to use the full infinitive after them. They are want, need, hope, plan, decide, choose, try, promise, offer. Again please. Want, need, hope, plan, decide, choose, try, promise, offer. Again. Want, need, hope, plan, decide, choose, try, promise, offer. For example, I plan to travel to London. I decided to stay at home tonight. So that's the second usage after these 9 verbs. Number 3, I use it after the expression it, verb to be, and an adjective. So let's see an example for this. It is nice to see you. It's easy to learn English. So these are the 3 cases in which we use the full infinitive to express a purpose after certain verbs and after the expression it, verb to be, and any adjective. Now let's move to the second type, which is the bare infinitive, which is the verb only without to. We use it only in 2 cases. The first one after the modals. The second case after the 2 verbs let and make. So after the modals, we took some of them in the first term: can, could, will, would, should, may, might, must. So for example, I can spell this word. So after can, I put the verb only, without to. As for the second usage after the verbs let and make, and that's a common mistake that you do. Let me do it. She makes me clean the windows, not to clean. So here in the bare infinitive we use it only in 2 cases. either after the modals like can, could, will, must, or after let and make. Let's move to the third